It's time again. It's time to learn. It's time to connect. People from across the globe will travel to one place to celebrate. It's time to assemble. Tandy Assembly is North America's only vintage computer show dedicated exclusively to all makes and models of Tandy and Radio Shack computers. Last year was our inaugural show and the response has been phenomenal. Thanks to your attendance and donations, this year will be even better. This year, Tandy Assembly is being held in Springfield, Ohio, just 30 minutes from Dayton International Airport. Our keynote speaker will be Stuart Chaffee, host of PBS's The Computer Chronicles. Event and hotel information are available at our website, tandyassembly.com. Registration is just $10 per person. Children 12 and under are free, and as always, you can register and pay online. Some assembly is required. Join us on November 10th and 11th in Springfield, Ohio for Tandy Assembly. Hi, I'm Mike Rowan, one of the organizers of Tandy Assembly. We look forward to seeing everyone in Springfield, Ohio. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about one of the great events at Tandy Assembly. That's the no minimum bid auction. First, all of the auction items are donated. All proceeds from the auction will go toward the cost of the event. The auction is a great opportunity to get some big bargains on unusual vintage computer items. It's also a great deal of fun to see people, sometimes best friends, trying to outbid each other. We certainly hope you'll join in the fun at Tandy Assembly. As I said before, all of the auction items are donated. If you have any items or duplicates in your collection that you are willing to donate to the auction, we would certainly appreciate your donations. Just bring them to Tandy Assembly or contact us through our webpage, www.tandyassembly.com. Thanks, and we look forward to a great time with everyone at Tandy Assembly.
Tandy Assembly. Tandy Assembly is about Radio Shack and Tandy computers.
Tandy Assembly is about interacting.
Tandy Assembly is about people.
Tandy Assembly is about fun.
The first gathering of its kind.
Computers of the 70s, 80s, and 90s.
All Radio Shack and Tandy makes and models.
Join us.
Don't miss Tandy Assembly.
In Springfield, Ohio, November 10th and 11th.
Whether you're near or far,
Tandy Assembly is for everyone.
Visit our webpage at www.tandyassembly.com.
Tandy Assembly.
Hi, I'm Mike Rowan, president of TA Vintage Events, and I would like to personally invite you to Tandy Assembly. Tandy Assembly is North America's only vintage computer show exclusively for all makes and models of Tandy and Radio Shack computers. This year's event is being held in Springfield, Ohio, just 30 minutes from Dayton International Airport. Last year's inaugural show was fantastic, thanks to everyone's donations and attendance. This year will be even bigger and better. Our keynote speaker will be Stuart Chaffee, host of TV's The Computer Chronicles. Event and hotel information are available at our website, tandyassembly.com. Registration is just $10 per person. Children 12 and under are free. And as always, you can register and pay online. So come join the fun at Tandy Assembly, November 10th and 11th in Springfield, Ohio. Tandy Assembly. Some assembly is required.
Thank you for calling the Coco Crew Podcast Hotline. To hear about Coco Fest, press or say 1 now. To hear about Tandy Assembly, press or say 2 now. Tandy Assembly will be held November 10th and 11th, 2018, in Springfield, Ohio. This year's keynote speaker is the host of the popular PBS show, The Computer Chronicles, Stuart Chaffee. Visit www.tandyassembly.com for details. To hear Neil Blanchard review a game, press or say 1 now. To hear Boise Pete discuss Nitrous 9, press or say 2 now. To hear Ron Klein review emulators, press or say 3 now. To hear John Leanville sing, press or say 4 now.
Go, go. You don't have to boot up OS 9. Now that we're older, we like to play deck B games, they're alright. Go,
To hear about Tandy Assembly, press or say 2 now. Tandy Assembly will be held November 10th and 11th, 2018, in Springfield, Ohio. This year's keynote speaker is the host of the popular PBS show, The Computer Chronicles, Stuart Chaffee. Visit www.tandyassembly.com for details.
Dear Tandy Landers, we have both a TRS-80 Model 3 and Model 4, but they only have floppy disk drives, and one of them is starting to fail. I've been diagnosed with repetitive motion injuries from the hours spent swapping floppy disks back and forth. How can I end this madness and still enjoy my TRS-80? Signed, Wrecked Wrists.
Dear Wrecked Wrists, the answer is simple. You need the FRED, F-R-E-H-D, the TRS-80 hard drive emulator. The FRED stores your operating system and data on an SD card. It plugs easily into your TRS-80 Model 1, 3, or 4 and emulates the Tandy TRS-80 hard disk drive. No more swapping floppies every time you want to run a different program. Create multiple hard drive partitions on an SD card. Programs that run notoriously slow on floppy-based systems will run lightning fast with the FRED hard drive emulator. For information and pricing, contact Ian Mavric via email, ianm@trs-80.com. Have you heard of the FRED hard drive emulator for the TRS-80?
Yeah, spelled kind of funny, ain't it?
With the FRED, you can store your entire library of TRS-80 software on a single SD card.
No way. I just finished sorting all of these floppy disks. It's beautiful.
Programs that run slowly from floppy disk run lightning fast with the FRED.
Listen, pal, I have lots of free time, and keeping my floppy disks organized is kind of my hobby.
The FRED also includes a battery-backed real-time clock.
If you can't affix gum labels to it, I ain't interested.
For information and pricing, contact Ian Mavric via email, ianm@trs-80.com.
Hey, do you know where I can find some more of those big plastic disk storage cases?
Hey, what's put a smile on your face this morning?
Oh, it's my FRED.
Fred? From accounting?
No, you idiot. FRED, F-R-E-H-D. It's a hard drive emulator for the TRS-80. It emulates the original Tandy hard disk drive, but stores everything on an SD card.
Oh, I see.
I ran programs that I hadn't touched in years because running them from floppy disk was just so painful.
More painful than Fred from accounting?
Shut up. For information and pricing, contact Ian Mavric via email, ianm@trs-80.com.
How long until you break down?
Breakdown, a new game for the TRS-80 Model 1, 3, and 4.
Break down a wall, brick by brick with a bouncing ball. Hit each brick and watch them fall.
Put your mental stability to the test while dodging falling bricks and keeping your ball in play. Breakdown from PSKI Software Development is available as a free download. Just visit pski.net. Wouldn't it be great if your TRS-80 could upload and download files directly to and from the internet? Well, now you can, with TrissBox. TrissBox is a Dropbox client for the TRS-80 microcomputer family. It allows you to navigate and copy files to and from your Dropbox account. It's an easy and powerful way to manage your TRS-80 files right from the comfort of your TRS-80 command line. TrissBox works with any TRS-80 Model 1, 3, or 4 equipped with an M1 SE or M3 SE. For systems without these interfaces, there's TrissBox Serial. TrissBox Serial works with models 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 16B, and 6000. Just attach a serial to IP interface to your TRS-80's RS-232 serial port for internet connection. Best of all, TrissBox and TrissBox Serial are available as free downloads from PSKI Software Development. Visit pski.net/TRS-box for more information. Improve your TRS-80 experience with TrissBox. Attention M1 SE and M3 SE owners. Browse Wikipedia with TRS Wiki from PSKI Software Development. TRS Wiki allows you to search and display content from all of Wikipedia, including graphics. Display graphics in low or high resolution. M1 SE owners can display high-resolution graphics on an attached VGA monitor. TRS Wiki supports Wikipedia searches, text-based content browsing with functioning hyperlinks, and image viewing. TRS Wiki is available as a free download from PSKI Software Development. Visit pski.net/TRSWiki.